I'm Miguel.
Okay, got it. Next.
Yeah, my name is Bugol.
Wait, nalapit ka ba?
Bugol. Ano yun? May gusto ka mag-project na singer ka pero komedyante ka? Hindi. O gusto mo maging seryoso? Kasi pag pumasok ka sa ganitong trabaho, you have to choose who you want to be. You want to be a comedian but you can sing. Kaya mo mag-belt out. O gusto mo maging seryoso at maging Billy. Ano?
No, Bugoy.
Ano?
My name is Bugol po.
Okay. That's your last name, po?
Po.
No, no. Okay, next. Come on, Chris.
Ko po si Chris.
That's yan.
Next, Lisel.
Ako po si Lizelle.
Ano ako yung trademark ko? Kinaya mo ako. Okay. Maganda. Sige. May kanya-kanya. Alika. Here. Para naman kayong ipa-firing squad. Okay, this is how I work. I'm really very strict when I work because I want you to be the best. Okay? Always they bring out the best in you. So, ayaw ko yung pag nagsasalita ako, may sasabat, may nagkukwentuhan, kahit kanino, even if it's not me. Kahit sino kumakausap sa inyo sa production, pag wala na kayo dito at may show, pag may kumakausap sa inyo, makinig kayo kasi that's a form of respect and that you are interested to listen. Para hindi pa saan-saan ang punta ng trabaho nyo. Okay? 2 is I want your dedication. Nandito. Hindi, dahil gusto ko lang sumikat. Kasi kung gusto nyo lang sumikat, sandali lang yon. Sandali lang yon. Mga after 3-6 months, goodbye. So it has to be always from here. Mahal na mahal ko tong ginagawa ko. Mahal na mahal ko tong trabaho ko. May mas magaling sa akin, pero okay lang kasi iba ko. Don't compare yourself to anybody. Huwag kayong ma-insecure na kasabay niyo si Sarah Geronimo or kasabay niyo si gano'n. Hindi. May sarili siyang style, may sarili kang style. Kasabay mo si, kunyari, si Piolo. Di ba? Huwag kang ma-insecure na, hindi, si Piolo. No. You have to be yourself and then show them the best that you can be. Huwag kayong ma-insecure sa mga nakakatapat niyo kasi you will never grow. Okay? That's one advice I could give you. 2, syempre, singers kayo, you have to learn the movements while you're singing. You cannot just be singing that way, even if ganun lang kayo, pitik na kayo ng pitik, kasi may beat. Tapos lakad kayo ng ganun, lakad kayo ng ganun, tapos pitik ulit ng pitik, di ba? Wala eh. The first rule when you learn a song is understand the song. What is it all about? Is it all about love? Is it all about being happy? Is it all about having friends? Then, you have to get that feel, that emotion, that aura, so that people, you can get them while they're watching you. That's very important. So, pag tinuturuan kayo ni Teacher Monet at saka ni Teacher Kichi, na galing dapat dito, huwag niyo ibabaliwala yan kasi totoo yung sinasabi niyo. It's like dancing. We sing, yeah, we can sing, but not like you guys. But we have to also learn how to sing. Pag dumating sa sayaw, may kasama kasing acting and dancing, singing also. Connected yan eh. Connected lahat yan. So, habang sumasayaw ka, tapos pinalakad ka at pinatingin ka, hindi ka pwedeng lumakad tapos gumanong ka lang. Diba? Hindi pwede. So, syempre, kung sabing lakad, yung lalaki, pagtingin, may tingin na sharp, something to, para maano yung tao. Kailangan din, makuha nyo yung audience. Kasi kahit anong galing nyo, wala naman kayong presence sa stage, wala kayong attitude sa stage, hindi nga papansinin. Parang, okay, maganda. Tapos na, ay salamat. Di ba ganon? Pero kung nagnanakaw kayo ng eksena, at that also singing, you have to use your eyes. Use your eyes with your heart. Kasi, pag kumanta lang kayo ng flat, na ganon lang kayo ng ganon lang ng ganon, wala. You have to stare at the camera, look at the audience. Parang you're talking to them while you're singing.
Look for the